Miss Lisa. Welcome to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. Today we're going to be working on our word of the week, and our word is authentic. Authentic means genuine, real, not false. And an example of using that in a sentence would be, experts have confirmed that the signature on the letter is authentic. So some synonyms for authentic, synonyms being things that mean the same as authentic, would be original, credible, or true. So if you didn't want to use the word authentic, you could use any of these words in the same sentence and they would be interchangeable. Some antonyms, which would be opposites, would be fake, phony, or bogus. All right, and that is our word of the week, authentic. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.